Hey guys, thanks for joining me again. If you haven't subscribed and you enjoy the video, please hit the subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much, guys. I think I have less than 300 to go till I have 50,000, so thank you so much. We are doing a hairdryer blowout spin out using the bloom recipe. I mixed my colors with 3 parts Color Art Vivid Enamel and 1 part triple thick polyurethane varnish. Right now I'm just laying down my pillow paint, which is actually just my interior wall house paint. I have the ingredients I'm using and the brands and all that listed below in the description. I did add a small bit of water to the house paint just to thin it out a bit so it would spread easier when I spin it. This color is the Amsterdam Deep Gold, and it was a bit thick when I added my mix to it, so I just put in some Amsterdam Deep Gold ink just to thin it down rather than using water. I had the ink there, so why not? There it is there. What else? People have been asking about the measles, how to avoid them. That is simply just mix your paints and let them sit for a day or two before you use your colors or your house paint. I usually kind of just mix right before I get to pour, so hopefully that will change though now that we're in quarantine over here in Ireland. I'm gonna have lots more time to paint and mix paints and do more videos for you guys. So this is Firefly, the Bling It series by Color Art. Again, that's called Firefly. It shifts to a violet, I believe. I can't remember. I have to double check, but yeah, I believe it shifts to a violet in the light. And I'm using Bling It Interference Gold by Color Art as well. You can check the description below for a coupon code for 20% off the entire shop over at colorart.com. And this was like a leftover mix. This is Arteza Rose, and I dumped in some Primary Elements Jasmine that I had already mixed up. And then, I think I'm going to put some Interference Gold and some Firefly around the puddle here. You're probably wondering why. That's just, you'll see in the close-up what it does, but it gives, gives the outside of your bloom, more bling, more shimmery amazingness, and it just kind of blends off into the white. You'll see at the close-up. It's just something I started doing. What else? And then I have my first golden paint that I bought. It is just the carbon black, so I'll be putting that down next. At some stage here. Where did I go? There I am. Okay, so yeah, this is the Golden's Carbon Black. And eventually now I'm going to pour it over there we go. And then the last color that will go down, as the cell activator, is Amsterdam Titanium White. and Australian flood floetrol. It's about a 1-in-1. I do it based off consistency. You could use Amsterdam titanium white and water. Okay, so yeah, the blow dryer, you start out really high. Mine's on high speed, and then I hold the cold shot, the cold boost button. So I start off really high, and then I come down, and as soon as the paint starts to move, I start moving the blow dryer around and go down. Avoid keeping it in one spot, because then you'll go straight down to the canvas, and that just won't be good. So I'm using an 11 by 16 inch artesic canvas, I believe it is. And I'm kind of enjoying doing the spin outs with the oblong canvas, because I like the negative space it gives. I'm not spinning too fast because I don't really have a border around right now. I just laid down, I cut open like a big black garbage bag and laid it down. I was, however, watching Saskia's video this morning, and she got a baby pool for her spin setup, so that's a great idea. So go check out her channel and see her little setup. As well, like if you are having problems tilting your blooms or your swipes or your blow dryer blowouts, spinning is like the easiest way to, spread out the paint. Like, so if you're having issues tilting, give the spin thing a go. Okay, what else? Yes, the giveaway, I will be announcing the winner in the next couple of days. I'm sorry, guys, just with the whole new coronavirus and getting put on self-isolation with the husband and all that. We are just been stocking up on food and getting bits and bobs for keep the kids entertained and all that. So, but now we are all set, and I will be able to finish writing out all the names and then drawing a name for the course, for Shelee art online course, and the color art big bright bloom set. And then also I'll be drawing a winner for one of my paintings. So keep your eyes posted. I'll title it in the title of the video so you guys know, so you don't miss it. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Just wait for the close-up and you'll be able to see the bling, the interference gold, and the firefly, kind of what it does since I poured it around the puddle of the colors, if that makes sense. You just want to make sure you have enough of the paint off so you get a good dry. Otherwise, if you don't have enough paint off, you're going to have cracking. So I'm using my flash on the phone here so you can see the shimmer, which there's, okay, and then just up here you'll see the effect. It kind of just blends out into the white. I love that. Love it. Yeah, and that's that. You could see the violet there from the firefly. Very cool. Okay, I gotta sign off though before I get kicked off here. Thanks for joining me, you guys, and thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't, all that good stuff. Check the description for lots of info, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!